Okay, today is a creamier version of rice milk and a non-slimy version of oat milk. Sort of a hybrid of the two. One and a half cups of rice. To 1/2 cup of oats. If you made oat milk before, you know that it could get slimy. So this has been my solution. A little bit of sugar in this, drop of vanilla. Add water and let it soak overnight, and you're good to go. So around this point, you're starting to wonder if this is worth it. About 5 minutes into squeezing that bag, you're definitely deciding it's not worth it. But once you see the end product, it's creamy and it's great in coffee, and it's much better than just regular rice milk. A lot of work for a little, but it's good stuff. All right, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, share this, and I'll see you in the next one.